So as you guys just saw, I just went to B&M because someone wanted some stuff so she could finish the stairs. And then last night I gave Peaches this little box and filled it with some treats, but cut 2 of the flaps off so we can get in it. And he definitely managed to get the stuff out, so I managed to create some enrichment for him. And then I also put some of these treats inside these jars as I had them before for Misty. So I've just got oats, these hearty treats, and then these are papaya treats, by the way, I figured the name out. And then some chocolate drops. And then we have his stock in here. I don't know where to put it though. And then I kind of need to organise all this. It's mainly just pigs. So I'm finally getting somewhere. Inside this bag is just a few guinea pig toys I've made. So over here I also have loads of tubes from when we first got Eleanor's carpet, which is inside our first redecorating room vlog, I think, or second. But yeah, I've had these for a while now. My dad cut them up into smaller pieces, but I need to cut them up even smaller for the guinea pig. But this is Minnie's bed. I know it looks like a lot, but she needs water. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna pour some water up this, and then that will give her water. This is the peaches, so I want to try them out with some veg. So I've just got some celery leaves, some carrots, a bit of cucumber, and a bit of kiwi. Alright, so we'll make the light. Sorry for the really bad lighting right now, it's like 9 o'clock and I've just made this salad for Peaches, as you guys just saw, and I want to see how he reacts to it. Piece of broccoli. Oh, he's going for the broccoli. Oh no, we dropped it, no. Oh, okay, you just pouch it, okay. Bad idea. He's running with a piece of broccoli on his wheel.